As the world of gaming keyboards expands with smaller enthusiast-oriented offerings like 60 layout boards, there are still plenty of affordable, full-size, full-featured options from all of your favorite brands. And today we're gonna be checking one of those out, the Corsair K55 RGB Pro XT, with macro keys that can integrate seamlessly into the Elgato Stream Deck media controls and perky RGB. So let's dive in and take a closer look at the Corsair K55 RGB Pro XT. Thanks for watching Top Tech Reviews. Be sure to like, subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon, so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hey everyone, I'm Imran with Top Tech Reviews. We are taking a look at that $70 XT version, and so first off let's take a look at the overall design. The K55 RGB Pro XT got a full-size keyboard with some extra macro buttons and media keys. The K55 RGB Pro is a large board. The keyboard keeps the design pretty simple and sleek with the palm rest installed. The profile slopes up all the way from the bottom of the palm rest to the top of the keyboard, and on the left side, we have the 6 full-size macro keys labeled G1 through G6. In addition to those macro buttons, the board also adds some features in the upper right with dedicated media keys for volume up, down, and mute, as well as controls to play or pause, skip tracks and stop. Where this keyboard really shines is with that extra functionality. So when you are gaming, depending on the types of games you're playing, these macro keys can obviously provide a lot more functionality with really complex moves or commands. At the same time, these can be integrated. Instead of buying a separate piece of hardware, you can have some functionality and some control just with these G keys over here. Alright, diving into lighting. A little bit obviously, as you can see, RGB is in the name, and on this XT variant, we have per tRGB, and as we said in the intro, that's the one thing that separates the XT from the non-XT, is that the non-XT has 5 different configurable zones. You can still go in and set up different zones, have a little bit of control. But the XT for 20 adds per tRGB, so complete control over lighting on the keyboard. So it has a lot of functionality built into it for that price. Well, let us know what you think about it. Write down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.